first time in so many years, my parents are seeing a change, because usually they are never the ones to say that, okay, you've become calmer, and you've become more patient.
I figured now that since a long time I've been close to working on myself, because I've been thinking ki I am fine, I'm happy, I handle myself very well, and I've never been on the journey to look within.
Though I've not been able to change myself that much till now, but now I understand few things that maybe somewhere maybe I've had a drift with my wife or something, and maybe I shouted it up or something or the other. But I think in the near future I'd be able to change myself because of this, I think.
I'm in the fashion industry, okay, and I've always tried to make my business purposeful. So my question, my idea every day is that how do I make my business purposeful and meaningful? And so in my 7th, 8th day of this whole course, suddenly it was like a lightning thought, and I decided, so I did some marketing activity on my Instagram thing, and from there on I've started building a CSR activity for my company. Something that I've been trying to plan for years now and trying to find out that how to do it. And it just came in, it just came as like from nowhere. And I realized that suddenly my consciousness, I could just feel it, that, how my brain was working.
I have found myself a little calmer and more focused.
It really made me reflect on my own beliefs. So all my life, a belief you're carrying, and it's something that you need to unlearn that. So that in itself is like a process.
We all are in corporate and we've seen a lot, but this has been completely done by heart. You can absolutely see from start that there's a lot of heart that's been poured in. That's why it is what it is. There's no mind here.
I must say that over the last 10-12 years, the kind of body of knowledge which you people have created together is awesome.
The entire program is extremely well researched and very well presented.
It is definitely going to be a change.
More acknowledgement that needs to happen in life on a daily basis.
But for the first time, I feel I'm home. I'm not seeking anymore.
It has widened my scope.
Helped me become more self-aware.
And especially what I love here in this thing is the webinars. So when sir used to come, I used to feel so loved, so cared and so protected.
And also after hearing everything, I have a 2-year-old son who I want to work on. And I think it's a wonderful opportunity that how our parents have brought us up and what they are understanding कि ऐसे करना चाहिए था, वैसे करना चाहिए था. Hopefully I can start early and I can recognize his traits right now and work on that as well.
I was just able to reach in break-even point, in loss-making organization. So it is just very deep-rooted to get into the profit-making.
सर की बुक मैंने पढ़ी थी तो मैंने भी सब कुछ आज तक पढ़ा था, वो दीपक चोपड़ा हो या ओशो हो या सब कुछ हो. Everything I heard, maybe last 10 to 12 years were like that. But जो missing link था वो अभी जाके पकड़ में आया.
When you're in this pure space, when nobody pretends and everybody is willing to share our experiences in life, his experiences in life, a lot of things open up.
And it gives an opportunity to look inwards.
And I'm glad I did it.